women in midlife. If you've ever walked out of a meeting and somehow ended up being the one who writes the follow-up email, you're not alone. And those emails, they take time and energy. They can feel like a test of getting the tone just right. But here's the truth. These emails are opportunities you can use to your advantage to boost visibility. They show your leadership and clarity, and they can highlight your ability to move work forward. AI can help you write them in a way that feels confident and clear, keeping your professionalism without spending 20 minutes rewriting the same sentence. Let's talk about how. For many of us as women in midlife, communication has always been part of our strengths. We've built careers on emotional intelligence and intuition while using our unique ability to hold context. But that also means we've carried a lot of invisible labor, especially when it comes to documenting decisions and next steps after meetings. So today, I want to show you how AI can support you with one simple skill: rewriting internal meeting summary emails so they reflect your leadership, not your stress. Now imagine this scenario. A team member sends you a rough summary of what happened in a meeting. It's fine, but it's a little wordy and hesitant. In addition, it doesn't capture the decisions or next steps very clearly. You need to send something out to the whole team that sounds polished and authoritative. And this is where AI becomes your partner. You paste the email into your AI tool, use a prompt, and in seconds you get a clean, confident summary with 2 clear sections: key decisions and next steps, with no over-explaining, no apologizing, no second-guessing your tone. Now, here's the exact prompt, and I'll put it in a card so you can read it as well. Rewrite this internal email so it is clear, confident, and professionally concise. Create 2 sections: key decisions and next steps. Remove apologetic language and present the information with leadership presence. Keep the tone warm but direct. Here is the email to rewrite, and then you paste the email. This one prompt strengthens your voice and helps reduce your cognitive load. And it also helps you show up with the clarity you already have. Of course, we always take the time to review this email and revise it to ensure that it sounds like us and not like AI created it. Now, you're not changing who you are. You're letting AI help you express your leadership more clearly. And this is just the beginning of what AI can do for women in midlife at work. If this video resonated with you, please like and subscribe. That way you will be sure to receive all my future videos about the ways AI can be your partner at work. And if you know any other women who might benefit from this information, please share it with them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye.